Hello and welcome back with another video having topic how to find the radius of circle from given equation of circle. So first of all we will know what is the general form of circle. We know that general form of circle equation. What is that? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of equation of circle. Now we have a problem statement. We are going to solve this problem in which we have equation x square plus y square plus 8x minus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0. We are willing to determine radius. We also know that